Hello, beautiful people. We are here once again for an exciting moment with you. How are you doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you'll be coming across this video from. We are excited to have you on this edition of our educative videos on natural veggies or natural substances. So if you're a first timer, this is a good time for you to subscribe, comment, share, and like our videos. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And if you're a returning subscriber, we see you and we love you. Thank you for your consistency and thank you for being with us on this journey. So today we're quickly going to be talking about the guava leaves. I know most of us are just conversant with guava as a fruit, but today we want to talk about the benefits of guava leaf. Some of us just see it as a leaf where the fruit, that just houses the fruit or shelters the fruit or covers the fruit, as the case may be, but we don't know that even the leaves actually are filled with benefits. Okay, that's why we are here. So quickly we are going to jump into it. Guava leaf has several benefits because it is rich in antioxidants. This is one thing that is very common with the leaves. They are very, very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, even antimicrobial properties. These are properties that help the immune system, our skin, and the likes. So we're here to talk about few of them today, so that whenever you come across this leaf, you don't just walk away. You take advantage of the nature that God has blessed us with. So number one thing that I would like you to know today is that it aids digestion. You might be asking how does it aid digestion? It contains antibacterial compounds like titanium and flavonoids that kills harmful gut bacteria. Can you imagine that? Wow. This leaf that I would say most people actually look down on. Can you see how beneficial it is? It also has anti-inflammatory properties that suit the digestive tract. Now you might be saying, how do I get the best out of it? So one of the major ways that you can consume this leaf is that you boil it. You can boil a handful of this guava leaf. You can boil a handful of it. Just get a handful of it wherever you're seeing, maybe on the street or somewhere. And if you don't have the fresh one, if you have the dried ones in stores, you can go to marketplaces where they sell natural substances. You can also check out supermarkets or big stores just to confirm if they have the dried ones. But you can just get a handful of that, or you can get 2 or 3 tablespoons of dried guava leaves, and then you boil it in water for 10 to 15 minutes and you strain. Like, you can drain it with your sieve and make sure that there are no particles in it, and then you drink this water just to relieve your system, just to aid your digestive system. And it also lowers blood pressure. Wow. Because it has the power to inhibit the absorption of certain sugars in the intestine while the process of the cleansing is going on. It also enhances insulin function. It helps to regulate the blood glucose level. The same way is just for you to boil it as a tea and you drink regularly. Especially after you have taken your meals, you can just wait for 30 minutes and then you can have the boiled juice of this guava leaf in a cup, and then you take it. It supports the heart health. When you prepare this and you take it in still as a tea, that's why I mentioned earlier that one of the major ways you can take it is as a tea. You take it as a tea. It helps to level, or it helps to lower, the bad cholesterol in the body system, and it increases the good one. It levels the bad one and it increases the good one because of the antioxidants that are present in it. And that antioxidant also prevents the oxidative damage to the heart. Wow, can you see that? It boosts your immune system because it is rich in vitamin C. And it also strengthens your immune system. Like I mentioned earlier, it also fights radical infections. You can make use of this when you drink the guava tea. maybe in the morning or at night. You can do that in the morning, a cup in the morning and a cup at night. You can actually make use of this to boost your immune system. It also promotes weight loss for those who are looking for ways, to burn some fats, and you probably do not have all the day to exercise, of which we encourage you to exercise. You can do a 30 minutes walk in your house, maybe while cooking, or maybe while maybe studying or doing something, just a light exercise just to keep you active. But if you want to also add something else, you can make use of this guava leaf tea also. It aids digestion, and also it helps you to burn fats, the carbohydrates in the system. It also helps you to burn that. It also helps you to improve your skin health. It helps you to improve your skin health. It fights acne. If there's any irritation, it also reduces wrinkles because of the presence of the antioxidants in it. It reduces wrinkles. So all you have to do is get a fresh guava leaf, just a handful of it. You crush it and mix it with a bit of water just to get a paste, and you can use that and apply it to the affected area. You can also make use of this guava leaf to cleanse your face. You can use the guava leaf water when you have crushed it and you have mixed it with the water. You can make use of that to cleanse your face, and then all the wrinkles and all, give it time and they would all disappear. And this is one of the exciting ones for my ladies. It also relieves menstrual pain. Drinking guava leaf tea few days before your menstruation or even during your menstruation helps you to relieve that menstrual pain that you always have. You can make use of this as an option to address menstrual pain naturally. It also improves your oral health. That's your breath. If there's any tooth issue, any gum issue, bad breath, that's toothaches, you can chew guava leaves or you can boil them, just like we say, and you gargle. Gargle means that you pour it and you kind of like blow it as an air, like you do the blow it as an air, and then it cleans off. That's gargling you do after brushing. Yes, you can just throw some quantity of water in your mouth and then you gargle and swallow. So it also helps brain function because they are rich in vitamin B and they are rich in vitamin B3 and vitamin B6, which also improves blood circulation to the brain and supports the nerve function. So all that we are saying for you right now is that you incorporate this as part of your day-to-day activity. So you can just boil this. They are safe. They are edible. Guava leaves are edible. You can boil them and take them as your tea. If you have any questions as regards this, if you need any other support, if you have other questions as regarding to natural substances or their videos that you would like us to share with you, you can do well to leave us a message. You can make your request on the comment section and we'll be glad to do that. And until we see you again, stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you.